Dear students, today we are going to learn about the chapter heat. In this chapter, topic to be covered. First topic is heat and cold. Second topic is temperature, and third measurement of temperature. And fourth topic is thermometer, and fifth topic heat transfer. In this topic, we will learn about conduction, convection, and radiation. And next topic is clothes in summer and winter. And first, in this topic, heat and cold. And what do you understand by heat? So that we are going to learn about heat. And sure, all of you aware about little meaning of heat. Now, from where to start discussing it when you face the situation when somebody down with fever, and sometimes I watch that you are also fall down with fever. Then what happened? That time what happened and what do you watch? That time will touch body. Then what will you feel? But question is rising there. Do you know that body is? How do you know that body is hot? So that I have taken three things. One thing is I will taken three things. One thing is a cup of hot tea. Second thing, a glass of water. Third thing is a ice cream. When you will touch the cup of hot tea, then you will feel hot, it is hottest. When the touch the ice cream, then you feel cool. It is not too hot and nor too cold. That's why we can say that it is an intermediate. Now we are going to learn about the basic topic of heat and definition of heat and what do you understand by heat. Then actually definition of heat is actually it is a form of energy. It is a form of energy. Energy mean ability to do work. If you want to know the form of energy, there are different types of energy like mechanical energy, rotational energy, and other heat energy. But if you want to know the common form of energy, that is heat. Let's we have a substances. Two substances. We have the hot substances and cold substances. Let's say iron and called we can say that ice. Then here is your hand. When we touch hot substances, when we touch cold substances. If we touch hot substances, then I feel hot, and if I touch cold substances, then I feel cold. But how? In this topic, if we touch the hot substance, then I feel hot. If I touch the cold substance, then I feel cold. But what is the reason behind that? So let's know that it is due to from the hot body to cold body, the transfer of heat from hot body to cold body. Here for iron, the heat of iron transfer from hand. That's why we feel hot. And if you want to know the cold, then the heat is transferred from hand to ice. Heat can transfer or hand to cold substance to or hand. But what is the basic reason? If you want to know, then different in temperature, in the temperature of two body. High temperature, let's I have taken two substances. One we have a high temperature, we can say, let's say body 1, another low temperature, let's say body 2. The direction of transfer of heat from hot to cold. The direction of transfer of temperature determined to hot to cold. If the temperature determined same in two substances, then no one can transfer heat. I need to understand, students, condition there should be different in temperature, then heat can transfer. If there are no difference in temperature, then heat can't transfer. Did you understand very well?